guys. I am currently at Burbank Airport, United right there. This is my terminal. I still can't believe that I'm leaving. And it's kind of hard to believe because, I don't know, I was just so stressed. It's really
stressful.
So it's currently 11:30. I board at 12:55 and my flight is at 1:30.
Sagama, ¿traes tu pila? ¿La puedes prestar? San Francisco, and I'm waiting for my second flight. I just got my bags, and it's a hassle. I can't find any cards. I have to complete a health code thing on WeChat. It's like another health declaration form you have to do before we board.
Face wash stuff, and now my face is itchy because I haven't washed my face in days.
We're about to board.
That isn't alright.
I feel like they should come up with a better design for the hat. It's not ugly, but like,
Right?
it just looks old, kind of.
Oh my god, Ella Enchanted.
So that's our breakfast. Very cute. He gets a special feature. Fruits. Bon appetit. Incheon Airport. Hello. So we're finally in Shanghai. Oh, are you?
No, no, it's listening to WeChat.
Now we're waiting. For what? The lighting? What? The lighting?
先为了准备了一小袋
so bad. I got my stamp. Now I think I have to get my luggages.
Have you had 农家乐？ Just by sitting here.
Yeah. Yeah. Dying.
Literally, no. Say hi.
Say hi.
你们能说
Say hello.
你们能
打个招呼。
挥手，打个招呼。我们在录视频的。
Hi guys, I am currently at the Cube Hotel. I look really bummy right now because I had to figure out like a whole bunch of Chinese payment stuff and it was not working for me, so it was very frustrating. Now I am like full of sweat because China is very humid right now.
Okay, so here we have the entrance. And that's the bathroom. We have double doors. Very cute. I put my suitcases here. And voila. Bathtub. Mirror. It's really aesthetic. That's the toilet. And that's the shower. Overall, it's pretty nice. Oh, and they also gave us the hairdryer, which is really good because I was gonna buy one and bring it back to China, but that wasn't necessary. So now we have this. And this, I put my clothes in here because I washed them and I have nowhere to put them. And I should probably open that, but yeah. This is the mirror. And my room. There's a fan here, AC is right here. It has everything, literally like, they're kind of extra for this, but I love it. So don't have to worry about not having enough space for chargers. And then we have TV. They gave us water. They also gave us medicine right here, COVID test, and this is food from the plane. Also another pair of hotel slippers. And this is the desk. Very nice. Again, a lot of charging outlets. And the bedside necessities, kettle, fridge, and I put my snacks in here. A lot of buildings. It's all sunset.
Hi guys, that's it for my first vlog. If you guys have any questions about the whole process, what life is like in Shanghai, and what to expect for the first time, please let me know. But for now, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.